If you have any questions that you need answered about the website or your credit card processing, and also we gladly accept cryptocurrency, especially when you live outside the United States. I have a lot of people that live in tiny little countries. And I'm used to living in Utah here where there's literally a bank or a credit union just about on every corner. But yeah, we accept cryptocurrency and people prefer that. It's safe. You can live in the middle of nowhere and you can pay. Okay. So this is probably my simplest video I've made in about, I don't know, months or years, but check this out, guys. All you got to do is log in. And you don't even have to, God, now that I think of it, you don't even need to log in to get this email address. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Right there on your screen, support@saveclub.com. That's it. 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon, it doesn't matter, 24 hours a day. Just email support@saveclub.com. Hey, what forms of cryptocurrency do you take? Or how do I do this? Or the website. It's not working right. Any type of questions that are technical, please get a hold of Save Club. That's all I got to tell you. It's that easy. You don't even have to be a member of Save Club yet. But if you log into your back office, let me just show you what the home page looks like. Okay. So remember your membership. That tab is, am I by the month, 1997? $20 minus 3 pennies, or do you want to join for the year? And remember, when you join annually, you're moved to VIP status instantly and you get bigger commissions. I did that. I want the bigger commissions now. I'm not waiting, but it's up to you. Okay. My deals. This is the tab where you can go search all over and see what deals you can get in your neck of the woods. And remember, we're only 10 days old as I'm making this video. Today's June 10th. Guys, we're only 10 days old, so just be patient. We're going to be in your country. We're going to be in your city. We'll be in every country and city worldwide, especially in the next 3, 6, 9 months. And by next year, we're going to have 1 million people in this club with millions of deals. So just be patient, okay? And if you have questions about anything Save Club related, as far as merchants or savings, support@saveclub.com. You guys will figure that out as well. Order history. My team. All right, I have 100 people signed up right now. I'm really happy about that. My enroller, that's who I signed up underneath. The leaderboard, I'm doing pretty good right now. Check it out. I'm number 7. Lucky number 7. Look, I just hit 100 people. And I want to turn that into 200 people in the next month or two. And thanks for signing up, by the way. Now, if you've already signed up and you're in my group, I tell everyone, please go to the training tab. Hit this little button right here. And you can get tons of free pictures and free video. It's waiting for you. And then here's I call it the constipation plan. Just hit this button and you can print something out or at least put it on your screen like a PDF file. And then here is just an awesome video about it. Most people don't want to read about the constipation plan. It's a pain in the ass. Please just go to this tab here where it says training and then check out this video and how to use it. These are great videos for you, okay? And it's brand new. It just debuted today. Statistics, you can see how many people have pre-enrolled, signed up, your earnings. But right there, guys, contact us. I'll click it one more time. Support@saveclub.com. Now, if you haven't signed up and you want to be in my group, I hope you look at both these links here. Okay, here's the official link, joinsaveclub.org. Click that, and I want you to just go and check out this video. Fill out this information right below, and click that orange button. You're going to get a Save Club email, and you can open it up and join right there, okay? Now, check it out. I got a brand new funnel system, and it's only $25. You don't have to get it, but right now I'm telling you, I've signed up about 50 people with this new funnel. And what it is, it's a 20-minute video that explains Save Club versus one that's 6 minutes. But it's up to you. You don't have to get it. But $25, I think it's worth looking into. So go to saveclubfunnels.com. Go to this page right here. Put an email, your email right here in the rectangle box, the white box here. I put Let's All Rock. That's my email. Hit that yellow button. And then here is the 20-minute video that explains everything. And if you have not joined Save Club, hit this red button. Go ahead and join. Or if you want just the funnel, hit the red button there that says Get Funnel. And you can see we accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. And remember, $25, that's it. But you're going to join a team. If you've already joined this amazing opportunity under a person, but they're not really, I don't know, I guess a leader, they just kind of have you sign up underneath them and that's it. I don't think you're going to be that successful. I think you need to join a team. So if you've already joined Save Club, that's fine. But look into the funnel, because now you can join 2 of the biggest teams in Save Club. We dominate the leaderboard. Okay, the group that we put together with 2 private invite Facebook only group pages. Awesome. You're going to get advice. You're going to get more Zoom meetings. You're going to get more pictures, more videos. And right here, you can see all the video and training for social media, including, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Everything is already waiting for you. If you're watching my video now, if you join, all these extra materials are just sitting there. You download them on your home computer, laptop, or on your cell phone and start going crazy. Just post everywhere. Just make sure that your link is working, and that's it. Doing what I've been doing, somehow I got 100 people signed up, and I'm very, very excited about that. And like I said, thank you if you're one of the 100 that have signed up. So join saveclub.org, O-R-G, and saveclubfunnels with an S.com. Okay. All right, guys, my work is done. And like I said, support@saveclub.com. Go there anytime and email them, and they'll get back with you, okay, with your answers to your questions. All right, guys, take care. Thanks again.